How to create godowns, excise units, stock groups, and stock items. In order to create godowns, you have to ensure that the option Enable multiple excise units is set to yes in excise registration details screen. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Create and select Godown and press Enter. Enter the name of the excise unit. Select Primary if it is not to be grouped under the predefined unit main location. Select the applicable excise tax unit. Enter the address for the godown. This option appears only when the option Allow addresses for godowns is enabled through F12. Accept the godown creation screen. To create a stock group, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Create, select Stock Group and press Enter. Enter the name of the stock group. Set the option Set or Alter GST details to yes or no as per the requirement. Set the option Set Alter Excise details to yes. Provide relevant details in excise details. For the classification option, select Undefined if unique tariff details have to be defined for the stock group. The user defined classification if it can be applied to this stock group. Once it is applied, unique tariff details are not required to be provided for the stock group and cursor returns to stock group creation screen. If the classification is set to undefined, provide the tariff details which are unique to the stock group. Accept the excise tariff details screen and accept the stock group creation screen. To create a stock item, you need to go to the gateway of Tally, select Create, select Stock Item and press Enter. Enter the name of the stock item. Select the stock group or set it to primary. If the stock item has to be grouped under a stock group for which tariff details are defined, select the same, else group it under primary. Select the unit of measure in the unit option. Select the options Is excise applicable to applicable. Enable the option Set or Alter excise details to yes. Provide the required details in excise tariff details. In excise tariff details screen, provide the classification option. Select Undefined if unit tariff details have to be defined for the stock item. The user defined classification if it can be applied to this stock item. Once it is applied, unique tariff details are not required to be provided for the stock item and cursor returns to stock item creation screen. If the classification is set to undefined, provide the tariff details which are unique to the stock item. Accept the excise tariff details screen. Enter the conversion factor to convert the unit of measure defined in the units field to the reporting UOM as provided by the department. Accept the stock item creation screen. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.